Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 70 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we asked to simplify this, and this part here is an angle. So imagine if you had sine theta equals to x, this angle theta would be arcsine of x. So that's exactly what we have there. So we can let theta equal this, and we want to find tan of theta. We know that sine of theta is x. Remember that your sine is y over r. So our y is x. It's a bit confusing, but that's just how it is. Our r is 1, and we don't know what x is. We need this x, which is the actual coordinate and not the value there, because your tan is y over x. So we already have the y, which you can substitute. We just have to use Pythagoras to find the x. So using Pythagoras, x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. X squared is what we're looking for. The y just happens to be x, so we shouldn't add these. They're not the same thing. And our r is 1. Okay, so this x, which we're looking for, would then be equal to 1 minus x squared. And if we find the square root of both sides, we now have square root of 1 minus x squared as the x. So our tan theta is therefore y, which is x, over the x that we just found. So y over x, y is this, and then the x is what we just found, which is as follows.